Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to create technical specifications using our application and our features. To get started, select a language. Now let's create a project. Let's name our project SpecTree. Now let's paste in the business requirements from the client, so SpecTree can analyze them and break everything down into sections. All right. This will take just a moment. Our assistant is carefully analyzing every detail. You see, SpecTree is much more than just a GPT wrapper. We use a sophisticated processing engine to ensure everything is logically structured. As you can see, the nodes are updating live, and the whole structure adapts in real time. Time to analyze the project and check for any missing pieces. This takes a bit of time because we're not just skimming the surface. The engine is auditing every node individually to give a quality score and find any logical gaps. When you're dealing with a massive document, it's a nightmare to keep everything consistent. It's so easy to mention one database setup on page 5 and accidentally contradict yourself on page 20. SpecTree catches those logical gaps. It basically does the tedious reading for you, so you can focus on the big picture. Okay, we're all set. Now, if you hover over this marker, you'll see the quality score. Red indicates missing details in your specs. Green means everything is good to go. Now take a look at our quick action panel. Let's hit the Format Text button to improve the overall look. This is a lifesaver if you've used voice or have a draft. Now let's use elaborate details to beef up the technical side. Honestly, this prompt isn't the most complex example, but imagine you just sketched out a basic table with a few fields. With one click, SpecTree audits your entire spec, looks for related entities like orders or users, and builds out a full schema with logical data flows and relationships. Once it's done, you can tweak the results, add your touch, and run it again if needed. And now, my favorite part of the quick action panel, the What's Missing button. Think about it. When you're deep in the zone, it's easy to forget the boring stuff. You've defined the user registration, but did you remember the password recovery flow? Or how the system should behave if the API goes offline? Now, let's take it a step further. I'm going back to the chat and simply typing, "Apply your recommendations to improve this." Watch how SpecTree doesn't just rewrite the text, it integrates all those audit findings we just saw directly into the structure. Also, in this chat, you can discuss those "what's missing" suggestions we just saw. If you're not sure how to handle a complex gap or a specific edge case, you don't have to figure it out alone. Just chat it through with the assistant to find the best technical solution. As you can see, the nodes are updating in real time. You'll notice some nodes have turned yellow. This is how SpecTree talks to you. If the AI spots a gap or an area that needs your attention, it highlights it. Now let's take it to the next level. I'm going to ask the assistant, based on the analyzed data, generate a system architecture diagram for the mobile application. Usually, moving from a text document to a visual architecture takes hours of manual work. Here, SpecTree understands the deep logic of your project and instantly transforms it into a clear, professional diagram. No more jumping between tools. Your specs and your architecture stay perfectly in sync. Now watch this. I'm typing "insert this diagram into the mobile application node." With just one command, SpecTree takes that visual architecture and embeds it exactly where I need it. Let's find our new diagram. Ready to share? Export your results in the format you need. Choose XML with token counting for AI automation or Markdown for your documentation. For meetings and formal approvals, we've got you covered with presentation-ready PDF and DocX files.